1B, it's Miss Jess. It's so nice to see you. I hope that you are all doing well and staying safe. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. My message says, good afternoon, 1B. Today, we will do, the letter A kind of marked off. I should go ahead and add that. We need that, don't we? And the W. Okay. Today, we will do a writing activity with our names from Miss Jess. All right, my friends, so today what you'll need is a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and get those materials. Please do so. All right, so friends, what we're going to do is we are going to use adjectives. Oh, what's an adjective? I forgot. Oh, right. An adjective describes a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So we can choose colors as adjectives, numbers. We can describe how a person looks or how their personality is. All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do an example first. And before we get started, I want to say that for anyone who saw my last video, I did a review of the letter A, and I wrote all of our friends whose names start with an A, except I forgot our friend Axel. I'm so sorry, Axel. You know, sometimes adults, sometimes teachers forget. We make mistakes. Silly Miss Jess, I'm so sorry. So I decided that I would do Axel's name as an example. Hi, Axel. I hope you're doing well. So what we're going to do is, now this is just an example, so you don't need to write anything down. You just go ahead and do the example with me. I need to think of adjectives for each of these letters, okay? So let's start with the letter A. What is an adjective? What is a way that we can describe Axel with the letter A? Let's think about it. All right, the word that I have in my mind that's an adjective is I'm going to write the word artistic, because I know that Axel loves to color and he is very talented. So my first adjective is artistic. Very cool. Now our next letter is the letter X, which is a very cool letter, but not very many words start with the letter X. So we're going to cheat a little bit. So I want you guys to think of words that have an X in it that can describe our friend Axel. All right, and the word that I have in my mind, I'm going to go ahead and write it down, is exciting. Because I think Axel is very exciting. All right, now our next letter is an E. Now I know that we've already used an E, but I want us to think of a new word, a new adjective that starts with an E. What words can you think of that can describe Axel with the letter E? I'll give you guys some time. Now the word that I came up with is a very long word, so I will help you out with it. All right, now the word that I came up with is a doozy. Enthusiastic. Can I hear you guys say that at home? Enthusiastic. Oh, that was beautiful. Now, if you're enthusiastic, it means that you're very excited about something. Very cool. All right, now our next letter, kind of smudged a little bit, it is the letter L. I'm making it worse. What adjectives can we think of for Axel that starts with the letter L? Go ahead and think it at home. I'm going to go ahead and write down the adjective that I have. All right, and the adjective that I chose is lovable, because I think Axel is very lovable. So, let me position this right. So do we see how we did this? For each letter of the name, I want you to think of an adjective okay, that describes it, and we're going to write it this way. All right, very cool. So go ahead at home, please take your piece of paper, and I want you to write your name vertically. So from the top to the bottom. And I want you to think of your own adjectives that you want to describe yourself. And you can choose colors. You can choose numbers if you really want. You can also choose some of these kind of words that describe how we are. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and erase Axel's name. Thank you, Axel, for letting me use your name as an example. Now, the next example name that I'm going to choose is our friend Danny. Hi, Danny. I hope that you're doing well. All right. Now, at home, you may choose to write an acronym for Danny, or you can choose to write your own right now. But I'm going to do this one while you're working. So let's think of some ways to describe Danny that start with a D. Now, the word that I've got in my mind is dazzling. Now, dazzling means something that's very bright, very shiny, like a diamond or like a crystal. And I think that Danny is very dazzling. Very cool. Oh, now I need to think of an adjective for Danny that starts with an A. Now, the one that I have in my mind, because I know that Danny likes to play soccer, is athletic. Athletic. That means that you're someone who likes to play sports. All right, now the next letter is the letter N. Let's think of a way to describe Danny with the letter N. Now the word that I've got for Danny that starts with an N is nice. Danny is one of the nicest kids in 1B, and I love that. Very cool. Oh, now our next and final letter is the letter I. Ooh, let's think, what are some adjectives that we can describe Danny with the letter I? Oh, now I've got one. It's a little bit longer, so bear with me. And this is a word that describes how smart someone is. And you know, everyone in our class in 1B is very smart. I'm so proud of you. And that word, whoa, is intelligent. This is a big word. Can I hear you guys try it at home? Intelligent. Ooh, very nice. Go ahead and kiss your brains. I love that. So we have a D, A, N, I, and then we have adjectives for each of these letters. Very cool. I am so curious what you guys are coming up with at home. Now I'm going to do one last example, and I'm going to choose our friend Brian. Hi, Brian. I hope that you are doing well and staying safe. Now I'm going to go ahead. First, I'm going to show you guys. So this is how I wrote his name. Remember, we're doing it vertically from top to bottom, and then we're going to write the adjectives right here. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and do it real quickly. While I'm doing this, I want you guys working on your own. What are you guys going to come up with? We have Kevin, we have Yaretsi, we have Maite, we have so many friends. We have Mia, we have Julieta, we have Angel. How are you guys going to describe yourselves? I'm so curious. We have Jorge, we have Ashley, we have Abigail, so many friends. All right, now let's make this a little higher so we can all see. So let's start with our B. For Brian, I wrote brave. For R, I wrote, oh, and brave means that you're not afraid of anything. That means you're doing your best. I love it. Respectful. Brian is very respectful. He is kind and very nice. The Y, I wrote the word youthful. So youthful, that's a hard word, huh? Let's try it together. Youthful. Ooh, it's a mouthful. That just means that you're young. All of you in 1B are youthful. All right, the next word is ambitious. I wrote this for the letter A. Ambitious means that you work hard and you try your best, and I think Brian is very ambitious. And then our last letter is the letter N, and I wrote the word neat. Neat, because Brian is very, very clean, and I appreciate it. All right, my friends. Very good. What did you come up with at home? I cannot wait to see. If you can, I would love to see these acronyms. So you can go ahead, take a picture of your paper, and you are welcome to post it on Class Dojo. You can send it to me, or you can show it during one of our Zoom meetings, because I really want to see. And if you did do an acronym, if you did do this activity, I'm going to go ahead and give you an extra bonus point. Okay, so go ahead and do your acronyms. I can't wait to see them. I hope you're all doing well. And I miss you. And I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye, 1B.